Now, if they ask you to write it in the form 1 to n, it means they want that first number in the ratio to be equal to 1. So we need to divide by whatever number is required to get 1 as that first number. So let's take a look at this example first of all. The ratio 10 to 7. Now, if I want this to be written in the ratio 1 to n, I need to divide both sides by 10. As dividing this by 10 will give me the 1 that I require. So dividing this by 10 gives me 1. 7 divided by 10, we can write it as a fraction or a decimal. I'm going to write it as a decimal. You should all be able to work out that 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. Let's have a look at one with fractions now. If I had 1/6 to 2/5, and they want this to be written in the form 1 to n. Also, let's look at multiplying by that lowest common multiple again. So the lowest common multiple of these two would be 30. Multiplying this by 30 would give me 30 over 6, which is 5. And here, multiplying it by 30 would give me 60 over 5, which is 12. That's not in unitary form though. Remember, I can simplify it one step further by dividing both sides, this time by 5. That will leave me with 1 on the left-hand side, and 12 divided by 5 gives me 2.4. Again, you could write that as a fraction. 12 over 5 would be exactly the same.